Good morning, student of class 5. I have given this task on Saturday. So I said you need to solve by yourself, because so many time I explained in online classes and given some work also. Now finally exercise I have uploaded to solve by you. So if you have done at home, now you can check your answer. So very fast note it down in your copy, and whenever the school will be reopened and you will come to the school, that time I will follow your copy that you have written this work or not. So dash cycle is followed when the information follows. IPO cycle. Number A, fill in the blanks. Next one, 2. Dash is solution to limited resources and cost reduction. That will be the networking is the solution to limited resources and cost reduction. LAN, MAN and dash are the and WAN, WAN. It is written are the types of network. The dash is a network of networks. The internet is a network of networks. A Bluetooth device is used for only one is remain, that is pen. Now next one is number B. Find the following words in the word grid given below. That you have to encircle by the pencil. That is modem is there already. Server inside there, so you can mark it down. It is just watch it by the mouse key I am serving. Server. So each and every letter are there, but you need to encircle by the pencil. Okay, what worksheet, just you find it out, no need to copy this number B. Just you write down that you follow that you are getting the word or not inside the boxes or inside the chart. Here is also ISP, everything is here already, so you will find it out. Next, now PDF number 2, that is match the following. So workstation, that is a computer. Information flow, workstation. IPO circle, a computer is a network. Modem, modulator, demodulator, and server, main computer in a network. These all just you will match with this. So define the IPO circle. IPO circle is information flow. It is also given that the full form is, it is input output circle. That what we are doing, that input, output and input, process and output. These are all, these three circle we are solving anything in our computer work. So input, process, output, that is called IPO. What do you need to connect the computer in a network? Because the work will be easier if you are interconnected with the network. So each individual machines connected with the network, the work will be divided by the person and we can also follow the work any of the machines. In a school network, can you give a print command from 10 different computers to one printer? Justify your answer. Yes, by the using of networking system, you can give the print command 10 different computers to print one printer, means that is already using the one printer to print out from the 10 such type of computer, that what is work is going on my computer, that will be also printed, and what you are working, that work also will be printed. What is a modem? The full form is modem is modulator and demodulator. So modem, we can connect through the modem internet, we can get any of the company nowadays, we can use modem to connect our PC. So name the 4 types of network. So networking here is 4 types of, that are the topologies in a network. So that is star networking, we can make it bus, these are the types of network.